Hello and welcome to Special Data Hub. In this video, I will show you a quick way on how to digitize parcels. In one of my recent videos, I made a video on how to um, quickly digitize parcels. If you haven't seen that, you need to see it, but after you have watched this. So this is currently the fastest way which I have discovered. And shout out to the developers of this plugin, this model rather, as I am not a developer and only used it and want to use my channel to propagate the work, the very good work they have done. So what we'll be doing today is to use a model to automatically digitize parcels. First of all, it will not take away all of the work in digitizing parcels, but it just reduces it by a lot. I'll show you how. So after downloading your road data set, the next thing we will need to do is to add a buffer distance. When you right click and open your QGIS attribute table, you can dock it like I've done here. And a buffer distance, all you simply need to do is to include the distance that with which the parcel blocks will be offset from the road. Okay. So I'll be using 5 meters here. The tricky thing about this is that your data is supposed to be stored in degrees, decimal degrees, and not in meters. So if you convert 5 meters to decimal degrees, you'll be having something like 0.00045. Okay. So let's just add a new field called buffer, set it to decimal real, and 0.12345. Yep, click on OK, and that's added. So if you have any major roads which you want to offset at a larger distance, and you want to do it directly here now instead of editing the parcel blocks, you could do that. I'll explain better when I'm provided the final output. So the next thing we will do is to run our model. So if you check the description of this video, you will get a link to Google Drive on how to download your own model, the Parcel Digitizer model. You go to Processing, Toolbox. The first tool here is your models. You see here, Open Existing Model. And go to the directory where your file is saved. Once you select the file, hit Quick Parcel Digitizer Model. Open it. It opens the model. The idea behind the model is very interesting and something you could explore yourself. So all you need to do is just run the model. When you run the model, it collects your area of interest. The area of interest is the area which you want your where you want to digitize, right? Yeah, let's say like a county, a sub area, or a state. So we'll select our layer for area of interest. Then we'll select our layer for roads. And then our buffer field, you select the layer to show what field has the buffer units, the buffer data rather. So once you're done with that, you can choose to create a temporary layer or save it to a G package. Let's run with a temporary layer for now. You can always save it to a G package. So click on this. Oh, this is quite a very large data set. Let's close these guys. Oh, yeah, I minimize it. Okay, so we can close area of interest. Now you see what is happening here. It creates parcel blocks. It creates parcel blocks. Let's turn on this guy and make the parcel layer more visible, like a transparent inner. You see what happens. So it creates, okay, we can work on this a little more by increasing the outline width. and work on this guy, the row layer. So that's simply what you need to do. It creates these row layers, the parcel blocks for you, and then all you need to do is to um split the polygons to create your parcel boundaries. So I've covered all of that in a separate video, which is what I referenced earlier. Do not check it out. After doing this step, you can just split your polygons, split it to create the different parcel boundaries according to what is seen in your viz map. That'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you faced any troubles installing this model, running it, and if you have any other questions, to do well to reach out.